Hello, low ego action heroes. I'm Debbie Levitt from DeltaCX.com, and sometimes I get a question that sounds something like, hey, over at my job, they want to give people outside of the CX or UX department some CX or UX work. They want engineers to do interaction design. They want business analysts to interview customers. They want product managers to probably also sketch screens and make wireframes. Or very often I also hear they want us to have other people do research, or they want us to teach them research. Is this good? Is this okay? What I like to remind people is the best way to tell if there's someone at your company who's outside the CX or UX department, if we should give them CX or UX work like planning, executing, interpreting research, information architecture, interaction design, testing, things like that. The best way to measure that is if we had an open job in the CX or UX department, would any of those other people, product managers, project managers, marketing, engineering, who am I missing? DevOps, would they qualify to get that open job and work in our department with us? Normally, no. They wouldn't, and we wouldn't qualify to get their jobs. We wouldn't qualify to work in their domains, and usually they don't qualify to work in ours. And I would say to the person who wants to do that, why would we have someone who does not qualify to do that job do the work? Doesn't our company care about quality? Doesn't our company understand that the people who are educated and knowledgeable experts or specialists or people who have experience in this, they're going to work way more efficiently in areas of CX and UX than other people on our team or at our company guessing at it, stabbing at it, trying. Did we work efficiently if the product manager is guessing at wireframes, but then I'm going to have to check them and improve upon them or tell them that idea is way off, we can't do it? Did we save time? Or did we just add a lot more work to me and create fresh conflict between me and other people? Because now I'm kind of checking their work and maybe their work's not great. So ultimately, when people want to give research, information architecture, interaction design, testing, and other CX and UX tasks to product managers, project managers, business analysts, engineers, DevOps, marketing, or stakeholders, my question is, if they wouldn't qualify to get a job in CX or UX at our company, why are we having them do the work? Don't we care about that? You always hear it's people over process. If it's people over process, then we have to care about which people are doing which parts of the process. So feel free to share this with your manager or leaders or execs at your company, because it is a common practice to think you can just take some people and chuck some UX work at them. But that's only done when people don't understand UX very well. So I hope they'll stick around, and you will too, around the Delta CX channel. Learn more about what CX and UX is and why you can't just throw our work at anybody, just like you can't throw product management at anybody, or marketing, or DevOps. You just can't, and you just shouldn't. Not when you care about the quality of work being done, culture and morale, and the outcomes of what we're creating for our customers. It just doesn't work. So thanks for joining me. Please subscribe, hit that like button, let YouTube know that this was pretty good, and I will see you in the next video.